Hey there! So this video we're going to show you how to use this custom vehicle lettering tool to make a banner or something for your vehicle to stick on the side. It's a very simple tool and works extremely well. So here's how we're going to do it. There's a few different options to do. You're going to want to put your text in here in this little text box, whatever you want the lettering on the side of your vehicle to say. So you type in here, let's say your contracting company, just for example here. So Lake City Contractors, and there you go. It updates down there, and there's a lot of different things you can choose from here. So the first thing we're going to want to pick is the font. So over here to the left, there's a lot of different fonts you can use for your vehicle lettering. You can use a motorcycle font, car wash. There's a few different ones here, and you may have to change the size of your fonts and stuff to make it fit on the side. Before you do that, maybe you should actually decide how big you want your overall sign to be. How tall do you want it? How wide do you want it? Etc. So you'd pick that out here, you'd type that in, and you can click here for size help. It tells you the different sizes that would be appropriate for different things like that. So if you want, a 12-inch tall, and you have 3 different lines, you want them to be, so tall. So we put them all in here, and then you choose your font over here, or you can choose a font from this drop-down menu here. There's a lot of different fonts to pick from. We also have reflective lettering, like this, so it reflects, as you can see in this picture here. Truck lettering over here, and you can choose it to make it as big or small as you want it to fit on your thing. And over here you can choose your vinyl type. If you want, wall vinyl, standard calendared, premium reflective, static, cling, etc. And right here you can choose from different font colors. So let's go to the next spot. Add options. So the next spot is add options. This tab right here, number 2, outline and shadow. And if you choose one of the fonts from the side, they've already added, most of them have already added shadows and borders and things like this. But over here you can change the border around your line, around your font. You can make it thicker or thinner. You can make it no border at all. Small. You can change the colors of it into different things. You can add or remove the shadow if you have one. You can add like this. You can make it go to different different directions. You can make it pop up on the top right of the font, of the text, etc. And you can change this shadow color as well. And you can also, over here, justify it left or to the right or center it, however you want it. And if you can even preview it, say you have a blue truck and you want to put this on it, you can preview what it would look like on your truck. Go down here and say your truck's intense blue, and then you can see kind of what it would look like, just an idea of what it would look like on your truck. Next thing is add effects. If you want to make it wave, you choose the arc. If you want to make it go like this or something, and then you choose the amount you want it to. So 40% makes it go that much, and obviously the bigger percentage, the bigger the arc will be. Go all the way up to 100%, and it's got quite a big arc there. Or you can do wave, slant forward, slant backwards. Maybe if you did slant forward and just a little bit, it looks kind of nice. Or backwards. Different things like that. So then the last thing you do is add to cart, and then you check out. And that is how you do that wall lettering tool.